Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS servers on your Windows 10 operating system or any other operating system. But before get started, you need to choose the DNS servers. So in order to choose this DNS server, you need to go to this link and you can see here a bunch of DNS service provider. So here is the Google DNS, Quad9 DNS and all other DNS, but how can you know which DNS server is fastest? So I will check two DNS service and speed test. So you need to go to this sites and I will first check this Google DNS, google.com, and click on continue, and then here I can same google.com. These two sites test the DNS service speed. So I am from Asia and India. You can choose your country and not a robot. Yes. Here you can see the maximum time for A record is 14, TXT records for 13, and SOA record is 14, and all other record. These times may vary for your location. I am from Kolkata and this is my maximum time, but in your case it might be changed. Google server here is from if I go to this Pune, then 64 milliseconds, 39 milliseconds. For Mumbai is 104 milliseconds and 99 milliseconds for Mumbai. This 60. Okay, and here I am has another DNS service, that is Cloudflare DNS service. So cloudflare.com, check here and guys, do some research for this DNS service, and this way you can search your best DNS servers in India, and this may take some time, but you need the best. So for this Cloudflare DNS, here you can see maximum time is 3 millisecond, 4 millisecond for TXT record, for SOA records and SRF record, MX record. And if you don't know what is this record means, I will make a separate video for this. To know this DNS service, you can comment me for making this video and I will provide this video maximum time. And here you can see this 24 millisecond, 8 millisecond, 1 millisecond. So it is clear that in my location Cloudflare DNS server is the best server, and here you can see 3 millisecond, 4 milliseconds. So Cloudflare server is the best server. So in order to change your DNS server, go to control panel, just type control panel, and you need to go to network and internet settings, then network and internet sharing center, and you can see at the connection I am using Wi-Fi. Click on this, click on this properties, then click on the internet protocol version 4, and by default Windows choose this option, but you need to choose this option and provide this preferred DNS server and alternative DNS servers. Here is the preferred DNS servers, is primary is here and secondary is here. So I'm using Cloudflare, so my primary is here and secondary is here. So here is my primary and alternate is secondary. Then click on OK, and then close it, close all these tabs, and once you have done, then restart your computer, so it will gives you better results. For any other question, any kind of question, you can ask me here in the comment section. But that's it for today.